Greetings! We've got a snowstorm coming, so we have to prep for it. It's time to put the plow on. Oh, also, just a quick life hack if you're interested. If you've got these Magna-Lock type gate latches, this is one of our bottles from a cleaner that we use, and I take it and I cut the top off, obviously no nozzle, and I cut slots in both sides, wide enough to fit over the fence and the latch. I attach it to the fence with a lanyard or a rope with a carabiner so it doesn't disappear for the season, during the snow season. And then that way, I don't know if you can see this, but it'll slide right down over, it's kind of dark, isn't it? Let me open this. It'll slide right down over this latch right here, and then that keeps it from icing up when the ice and snow come a-calling, because nobody likes to be stuck trying to defrost their gate with a blowtorch or a hairdryer or any other incendiary device. So just a thought. Maybe you guys can use it. Hopefully it'll help. Anyway, let's go do the plow. Oh yeah, forgot. We were going this way. It's dark out there. You guys can't see that gate, can you? Oh, I guess you can. Well, we got to go down here. Put the dollies back inside. We're almost ready for snow. All right, we'll turn around. You go, well, how come you didn't shut the engine off before? So there are a couple hoses in the back, and let's see. I'm going to have to take the pressure valve off. It went in. We're good. We'll tuck these up in place where they won't get snagged on something. Stay away from that. That's hot. That's the muffler. And then we should be ready for snow. Thanks for hanging out and helping. Appreciate it. Thanks for the support. Give us a thumbs up. Click the notification button, bell, whatever you call that thing that lets you know that new videos are out, so you know when the next one's coming. We love you guys. Make it a great day. Show someone some love today, and we'll look forward to seeing you again in the next video real soon. Till then, wheels up. It's time to go take on the snow. Of course, it's not here yet, but it's coming. You wait, it's coming. Snow's coming. Time for some flavored milk. Extra creamy. Notice they're both oat-based. Well, it's here. Looks like we made it just in time. We're supposed to get between 2 and 4 inches tonight, which really isn't a lot in the grand scheme of things, but nevertheless, we are prepared to plow. And I got my vanilla flavored oat milk. We're just gonna hang out and wait till it's time to plow the driveway. That's good.